Hi all, welcome to Neutral Mind channel. Today we will learn we look up for SAP consultant. Okay. Generally we are downloading multiple files from different reports. Okay. Whenever we download reports, we need to club all files in single file. That time we need to use VLOOKUP. Okay. Generally whenever we are doing migration or implementation project, when we are getting data from user, or we can extract from existing reports, okay, we need to use VLOOKUP. Okay. I find lot of SAP SD consultant, not only SAP SD, SAP consultants and other ERP consultants, they don't know VLOOKUP. They are asking other colleagues to learn it. Okay. No worries. Okay, I will explain clearly. Before going to deep dive, please subscribe my channel, Neutral Mind channel. Okay, here multiple files are there. This is one file. Here customer are there, company codes are there. Example, and also one more file is there, that is customer name, city, country is there. Okay, third file, city code is there. We need to club all those things. Here first we have to finalize for which file level we need to club all. Okay, here here country and country description is there. So here customer name, customer city, country is there. Okay, here one customer is there. Okay, one customer is there. For this customer multiple company codes is there, so same customer repeating here. So finally we can replicate all data to this file level, then only our report will come correct. Okay. First I will extract data from one, okay, to second file. Okay, here. Okay. To get to done VLOOKUP equal to, okay, you can get VLOOKUP, sorry, VLOOKUP, below VLOOKUP option will come. You can double click here. Okay. What is the base here? Our base is customer. Okay, click on customer. Okay, comma. Okay, go to next file. Here again click on customer. Okay, once you click customer, drag name. Okay, name, this is second tab, second column. Okay, comma 2 comma 0, enter. Okay, press enter, it will come automatically. Your customer name came here. Click here, just click here, this corner, you can double click here. Okay, customer name. Okay, customer we received customer name. Okay, you can check whether this customer name correct or not. 10005 BOMBD came. What is there here? 10005 BOMBD. Okay, it's same correct. And also 10005 header came. Okay, here also same. So data came correct. Okay, after that again we need to fix city. Okay, equal to we look up. Okay, we look up, click on customer, comma, go to that file. Okay, click on customer, click here, drag to third column, C. Okay, here, comma 3 comma 0, enter. Automatically this data will come this file. Click here, this corner, double click in this corner, automatically total data will come. Okay, this is city. Okay, after that one more is there, country. Okay, we need to fix country code. This is country code, not country, country code. Okay, country code equal to VLOOKUP. Okay, customer, comma, go to that file, alt tab, or go to directly the tab. Okay, how you can interest. Okay, click on this fourth up to D column, you can drag. Okay, after that comma 4 comma 0, enter. Okay, country code came. Country code. Okay, up to now we have completed this file. Okay, this file we have copied to this file. Okay, after that we need, this is country code, sorry, country code. Okay, next we need to get country name. Okay, we don't have same name, same data in second file also. It is not available in this file, it is in another file, that is file number 3. Okay, here that data is there. So here equal to VLOOKUP, sorry, VLOOKUP. Okay, we are not getting this data from customer, because we are getting this data from country code. So you can click here. Okay, comma, go to here, base data is country code, so click here, drag here, drag up to here, comma 2 comma 0, enter. Your country name will come here. Okay, you can check whether is there any problems are there. Okay, friends, like this we will get all we will club all files to single file with VLOOKUP. It is most useful for SAP consultant as well as ERP consultant, and also general who is using MS Excel for some data tracking. There also they can use this formula. VLOOKUP, there is different types of formulas is there. Just I explained SAP, ERP and general users purpose. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Neutral Minds. Thank you.